This is my bed. This is Laura's bed. Mine came inclusive with jizz stains. And we got a nice view. And then we have a nice bathroom and we have a nice Laura. Laura, I want to show you the bathroom. Thank you. Look how pretty it is. Hello, this is me. The bathroom is super new and nice, and everything else seems clean beside of my beautiful jizz stains on the bed. Good morning. My friend Laura is showering right now behind this wall. I'm about to get ready. We went to Harry Potter today. Our room is a mess. And look, we're in London and obviously it's fucking raining. It's fantastic. On brand. Hello. This is us. We're twinning schoolgirls. Also, ich brauche ja eigentlich nur. I only need to film in a thing. I want to be there. Look, I have socks. Oh, we have socks also here. Laura is cute. That's Laura, by the way. And now we're gonna meet Jess. We're gonna go to Harry Potter. Harry Potter!
Okay, let's try this. I wish I had eyes in the back of my head. I've been working on my pride, but the rest of me cares. Every time I feel alive, it be loving me, yeah. You my sinner, don't fold like it's Vanity Fair. Every time that I be down, then I be running to you. It's ironic that I'm scared, but I'm calling you boo. Please don't ghost me, love me, hug me, hold me, see me, grow me. I see holding, bragging, boasting. To all of my working on my pride, I've been working on my pride, yeah. I've been really scared, but then really trying, yeah. Never bite my tongue when there's something on my mind, yeah. Baby, you a gem, I never leave you under mine, yeah. Prayer's just a phase and we get it back in line, yeah. Love, pray you stay around me forever and never leave me. We gon' get together forever, I know you need me. It ain't hard to love you, I promise that shit is easy. I can see the future so vivid, I think it's 3D. Stay the night forever and ever, I think I'm needy. Being my reflection, my mirror, I know you see me, need me, easy. Hug me, love me, trust me, love me, love me.
Ladies, was machen wir jetzt? Wir gehen jetzt tätowieren. Ich krieg einen kleinen Corgi mit Bibimbap. Warum rede ich Englisch? Für Deutsch? Again. We go again. Okay guys, hi. We're in London right now. We're what? King's Cross? Yeah. King's Cross. We're gonna go get a tattoo now. I'm getting a corgi in a bibimbap bowl. So I just finished getting tattooed and now we're having some vegan hot dog and iced coffee with Laurie. Laurie's happy.